Hey traders, TG Watkins here. It's March 7th when I'm recording this, and we've got some interesting things out there happening with the market. Of course, we've been seeing quite a few names go up. Yes, some have been going down, but this market is still pretty darn strong. So, we can talk about one of these ones in particular, CE. And I posted this on the on our X page, Twitter page, and I wanted to show you guys a little bit in depth. Now, this is the 15-minute time frame just because I was able to zoom in on this and look at this a little bit more closely. And then I'll use a magenta color so that you guys can see. There you go. So you can see it a little bit better. And this is one of those things where we got in basically around here, and it worked out, and then it started to pull back. And of course, people are starting to ask questions right in through here. Like, hey, is this name still okay? It's pulling back. And I had to let it go just a little bit below our entry. So, a win turned into a very small loss. And I basically had to stick with this because, well, the daily and hourly still weren't looking bad. It was actually, they were still looking pretty good. And I had this trend line already drawn here. And so I just had to kind of wait to see if this happened. Now, this is part of what the craziness of the market is. You can go from just being down and to instantly reversing. And you know what? It's just kind of how the market works here. There wasn't a setup or a trade or anything else like that. It just merely bounced off of a support area, a trend line. I suppose you could even say, sideways. Let me maybe use green. Can see that a little bit better. Right there, you can see it kind of bounced off this support area too. So there were two levels of confluence to where this caused things to move up. But I just wanted to show that there was this resistance line, and then you finally broke out from that resistance, which is probably why I initially saw this. And then, okay, fine, it comes back down and maybe gives you a little bit of heat. But, if the trade reason is still there, if the higher time frames are still kind of working for you, and you look at something like this, and you just got to give it a little bit of wiggle room because, yeah, it doesn't look good on the 15-minute time frame, but the higher ones still do. And then lo and behold, boom, up goes the move like that. Let me show you what this thing looked like on the daily and hourly so you can also see. And then this is where the Moxie indicator and the Moxie trading rules kicked in. So what you'll notice, there we go. What you'll notice is that this dip right here did go below the hourly 50, but the Moxie indicator stayed above 0. That's what I call a trampoline move. And why do I call it a trampoline move? Because it's like you jump on a trampoline, you get shot, pulled down like that, and then you get shot right back up, and that is your trampoline. So trampoline is the material is like the hourly 50 or the 50 in general, and then you get the Moxie indicator, which is the spring pressure. And it's like you come in here, just stretch, boom, up like that. Really pretty perfect. And we got a huge squeeze on here, and honestly, it just wasn't moving too much. So I want to see if this thing is eventually going to fire. It is making relatively new highs in through here, and we could even see that the slow stochastic was down here, and so that did a great job signaling everything, and this thing's back up. And maybe we're going to start adding more to this, but we have a nice position right here, and we're up here. All right, everyone, thanks again for tuning in. And remember, we're always running some specials. If you guys are interested in coming in, checking out the Moxie indicator trading room. And so we'd love to see you guys there. And if you do join, be sure to say hi in the chat room. Let me know that you're new, and we'll be there. Take care of you. All right, everyone, thanks again, and we will see you soon. Hey, TG here with Simpler Trading. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to leave a like or comment below. Also, make sure to subscribe and click that notification bell so you can stay up to date with my market analysis. Or you can join my free newsletter with the link in the description. Good trading, and I'll see you at the next video.